Okay, so hello guys. I'm Kyser Rashid. So I'm from California. So I came to US in 2011. And started working in manufacturing industry from the beginning, from entry level. I started as a QC technician, and then from there I developed, I improved, and I became a supervisor, and then I worked there like almost 6 years in manufacturing industry. I became the production manager in manufacturing industry. So I had a good job. I used to manage people like 300 people under my supervision. So but that work, I have to go every single day, like 5 days, 11 to 12 hours out of my home. And then also the traffic, I had to drive, like 1 hour, 2 hours every single day. So I was thinking, why not try in IT? Because IT you can work from home. And then I also had a baby by this time, and I have second baby after I got my like IT job. So, IT job was like something that I was like wondering from the beginning, like when I came to USA. So in 2013 or 14, I tried first time joining in IT industry, or switching in IT industry. But, I couldn't find something that could satisfy my, like, how do I say, like, my
Expectation?
interest, expectation. Yeah, you can say that expectation. Like, I couldn't find someone like who can fill my expectation. I tried one like company, not company, like you can say training institute, but that they couldn't fill my expectation. So I stopped that, and then by this time my wife came, and I continued working in manufacturing industry. And then in 2000, I think 20 or 2021, I think, and I saw
21.
Shibubai is in one of the like interview in, I think, in TVN 24 or someone, that Shibubai was talking about his company like TS4U. So I really became interested about his company, and then I saw his website, and I saw the like course materials, and then I realized that yes, maybe this is the one that I was looking for a long time. And then I talked to Shibubai before I joined, and then I joined the company. And then I think it is in 2021 October batch. I was in October batch in 2021. So then in our batch I had some other like friends like we are like four or five that we continue work since the day one to till the date we got the job. We continue like study together, like almost 3 hours like every day, almost every single day we like practiced, we studied, and then finally we got the job. Like all of us, like five of us actually, we got the job at the same time. And all of us now, and not all of us, three of us now is a permanent employee in three different company, and one of them is still working, and all of us is still working in the IT industry, and we didn't have any problem till now. We are managing, we are surviving, we're improving, and we are and doing good. We are performing good actually in the IT industry. So that is my story, switching my career to IT industry.
You just said
And
the
with the
performance.
help of definitely, my during this journey, the credit goes to Siblu Ahmed, definitely. And then our instructor or trainer, Shahid Mahmood Bhai. I think he is one of the best so far I have experienced. So these two people are the one who made it possible for us to join in IT industry.
Good. So you said the performance. Would just please share with the how is the performance wise in your current job?
I recently had a performance yearly evaluation. So my manager, he said that he's really happy because I am in his team. And then he gave me a raise in my salary, and I was surprised. I said, at least I didn't get any negative review because I didn't have that much of experience. But when your manager said that he is happy, and then I met his expectation more than more, then I was really happy. I was not worried about my salary. I was worried about like, how I'm doing, because that was important to me. So, and I was really happy. But by this time, on top of that, like in bonus, I got the salary raise as well.
Well, congratulations. Thank you for sharing with everybody.
Yeah, thank you, Shivlu.